What if your Solana wallet address could start with the letters you choose, instead of being totally random? This tool makes custom Vanity addresses. Free, right in your browser, no wallet connect. Let me show you. On j.tools, I'll open Wallets and Transfers and click Vanity Wallet Generator. A Vanity address is a wallet that starts, ends, or contains letters you choose, instead of being fully random. Just one thing, a few characters aren't allowed. 0, capital O, capital I, and lowercase l. And keep your pattern short. The longer it is, the longer it takes to find. You've got 3 fields here. Prefix changes the start of the address, suffix changes the end, and contains matches letters anywhere in the middle. Let's start with prefix. First, the wallet count. I'll set it to 1, but you can make as many as you want. I'll type JT as my prefix and hit Generate Vanity. Now it starts searching. You'll see it try thousands of addresses per second until it finds a match. This is why shorter patterns are faster. And there it is. The wallet starts with JT. That's your custom prefix. Scroll down and you'll see the result. The public address starts with JT, exactly what we asked for, along with its private key and mnemonic. A couple of settings worth knowing. There's case sensitivity. Flip it on if you need the exact upper or lowercase letters. I'll leave it off, and you can pick how many CPU cores to use. More cores find it faster, but your computer works harder. Next is suffix. This sets the end of the address. I'll clear the prefix, type OO in the suffix field, and hit Generate Vanity. Just like before, it starts searching for a match. And there's our match. This address ends with OO. Then just export CSV, Excel, or JSON, and never share your private keys with anyone. Custom Solana wallets, free, in seconds. To learn more, make sure to subscribe and follow. Everything's at j.tools.